Hello guys, once again we're back today. No workout today, probably tomorrow. Just relax for a bit. Now it's Monday here evening, so it's not too bad. We're here at the front desk holding area, so it's not quiet today. It's so quiet today, so just relax for a bit. So I'm gonna show it to you the holding area right here, guys. It's all the holding area for the patient. Yeah, let's go walk through the hallway, guys. Yeah, yeah. How about if we go into the clean room or sterile core, guys? I show it to you. Here you go, guys. All the this is our clean room right here, sterile core right here. Yeah, all the tools right here, guys. Yep, yep. Not too bad for Monday. It's so quiet, So yeah, just decided to drop by. So let's show you guys. So yep, not too bad. The keys card right here, right there too. Yeah, and just dropping by for the evening. Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. Peace out.